Okay, today is June 6, 2017. We got a great watch list. Looking at ACOR, ticker symbols ACOR, Thor Industries, the RV deal, the Casey Jones stores, JDUS. We're looking at it. Let me put that ticker symbol in there. JDO, JDST. That on watch. Coop, it's COUP, HD Supply, G3 Apparel, which you see on the screen, and Michael Stores. That's what we're watching right now. So that's Thor Industries, G3 Apparel Group, and HD Supply Holdings are here on the screen. I think I'm going to G3. Looks like it's going to collapse from way up here. I don't think it's got much more room to go to the upside, even though above the Ichimoku cloud, it's starting to collapse nicely, at least for the short term, coming out of the gate. So I'm gonna put it on pause and see where we go from there on any one of those tickers to see if I see anything I want to get into. Okay, I got a short position established in the G3, and I didn't think it was going to go too much farther, and it's paying off pretty good. You can see the P&L there. I'm just hold this 500 shares pretty much until it gets on down a whole lot more, because it's up 26%, $5. I doubt very seriously it's going to even hold that level. That's a pretty bad entry. I should have waited just a little longer on the name, but I'm gonna still hold this position. I think momentum's going my way. I'm gonna put it on pause until we get some type of resolution, but it's a pretty good position. It's a 25 level. Look like it held. We're gonna collapse from there for sure. We should get back to, let me see, at least the 23, back to this level here, back up in this 24. Yeah, at least back to this line here. 2440, what is that, 2415? Yeah, that's what it looks like. I'll hold it until then. 2415. I'm gonna put it on pause until we get that resolution. Alright, basically I got kind of shaken out of the trade. As you can see on the screen, still got a pretty good piece of it. It actually came on down to 2415 just like I predicted. But got out of it a little bit early, so I took it at 130. Let me look at the tickets. I got out at 48, so that's pretty cool. It's not that bad. 500 shares. I still got it 25.12, but it went all the way to 24.15. Didn't wait on it because I got shaken out right here. This green candle. I thought it could very well be going up because we are above the cloud. And as I said before, the market works in threes. You got 1, 2, 3. This is the 2-minute bar as far as the candles formation. So after this green candle formed, I went ahead and closed it out here for the 48, 24.48 from 65 to 48. So it's actually a double dip. I got the first position was 25.12 to 24.91, and then the last one 24.65 to 24.48, which was right up in here. And now it's kind of green right back at that line. I could have took a partial, but I didn't want to take a chance. Again, it's above the cloud, so it's out of the norm as far as the A1 setup. A1 setup is short and below the cloud because I use the Ichimoku cloud as dynamic support and resistance. So I'm going to go ahead and see a hunt for a little bit more so we can get that P&L up a little higher than that. I'm putting it on pause for right now. All right, just got another pick on Thor. Pretty good field. 200 shares in. 103.25, 103. 68 gave me an average of 103.45, and I closed it out at 103.30. It's kind of going back a whole lot more than that now. It's like at 103. Let me see where we at. Yeah, 102 now. So it's really collapsing. But I'm pleased with what I got for the day. 213. Can't beat that with a bat. So I'm gonna go ahead and close this video out. Again, it's the same trades. As far as the let me open up the other window. As far as the rationale on all of these, let me hit it on pause. Okay, like right in here, this one I got my first fill on G3 was 25.12. So I knew it was really weak. So I got it on this candle here. It broke through this reverse engineer line, broke through the 8, and it just collapsed from there. It had a down arrow, everything was just going down. CCI had crossed high volume. So this is what we're looking for as far as A plus setup. It's just open and bear momentum to the downside, and just roll with the tide, so that everything just continue to follow through. We had a up candle here, but we had this gravestone doji. So we got the combination of an arrow going down and breaking through this reverse engineer line, and then a gravestone doji. It's the same place from last week, earlier in the week, just duplicate, just a different ticker symbol. The next trade was Thor. This was the last one that I got into. Ticker symbol THO. Same breakdown. Open that up. Breakdown is duplicate. Across the CCI. High value. Major bar to the downside. Had the arrow to the downside. Made the high right at the open. The same wick, or as far as buying opportunity here. Once that buying failed, I got in right in here at 103.45 on the average, and then bought it back here on the third candle. Again, the market operates in 3s, 5s, and 7s. 1, 2, 3, and it's the buyback right here. And it's probably continue to go follow through here, just a little bit more maybe, who knows, but I'm already out of the play. And you know, this is well below the CCI line here, the commodities channel. Again, you have leading indicators and lagging indicators. This is a leading indicator, so that's why I use all the time. And I'm gonna post that up just one more time as far as the tickets. Total P&L 213 for the day. The actual goal for today is $200 every day, and you see the tickets of buying sales is nothing. Thousands of shares is only 500 shares, and 200 shares and 100 shares volume traded. So that's pretty good. So as I always say in parting, follow me on Twitter, which you'll see at the post at the end of this video. Like this video if you want to see more videos coming to your inbox. Click the subscribe button. And as I always say in parting, to live is Christ and to die is gain.